Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be smoking some mac and cheese. So this recipe, I wanted to keep it very simple. I did boil about 2 pounds worth of elbowed macaroni. I don't think it's all gonna fit here, so we're gonna see how much of the 2 pounds actually goes in here. So this pan took about a pound's worth of mac and cheese, so we'll go with a pound of mac and cheese. The next thing you wanna put in here is some heavy cream. This is about half a cup's worth of heavy cream. I'm just gonna drizzle it over it. The next thing you wanna throw in there is some Easy Melt. You want to stick this baby right in the middle right here. This is 3 cups worth of cheese of Mexican blend. Pure sharp cheddar. This is another 3 cups. Let's go ahead and throw in the smoker. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be smoking this at a 325. And then what I'll do is I'll show you the steps in the process. It's not one of these set it and forget it. It's going to be smoked at 325. Then I'll come back when I'll show you what's the next step of the process. So after about 30 minutes, that's what your thing should kind of look like. This is when you want to come in here and you want to mix it up a little bit. Cheese is not completely melted just yet. All right, we're gonna stick it back in here for another 30 minutes. All right, so 45 minutes into it, my smoked macaroni and cheese is coming out pretty good. Give it a little bit more of a turn there. If you notice that your macaroni is a little bit on the dry side, mine is a little bit on the dry side. At this point, before you continue smoking, what you can do is you can add about a cup's worth of milk. That's really going to bring out the cream in it. Just kind of mix it in there. All right, there you go. We're gonna go ahead and smoke it for about another 30 minutes. By that time, we should be very close to the end result. All right, so 30 minutes later, and it looks like we are done. Gonna go ahead and mix this up a little bit just so you can hear the creaminess in there. Look at that. All right, so this has been the Smoking Beard. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.